The Apache.
Got him?
It hit my finger. Now I'm just making another video to try to put on YouTube.
Turn him on. Is he done or no? Turn him off. He's not done yet. I just did it.
He's done yet? He's done. Fly back over here. The Apache helicopter, oh, the Apache alien helicopter is running by. The Red Thunder has been,
Uh-oh. Air conditioning's coming on.
and it has, and Red Thunder has to have repairs. But, nobody comes and reads and comes and blows. And here it comes. And he falls into Dad's camp hotel. And now it is upside down. Come look at him. Going in. Here he is, he might get you.
Next.
Here he is. There we go.
Uh-oh.
Into the sky. And then
Get out of there. Get him out of there.
this is at the end of the day. This is the end. And this is our this is our family. This is our family. This is Mommy and Daddy getting married. This is me and Mommy, baby Levi, in the winter storm. And he was in Lego City and landed again. And here we go. And so the wife of the helicopters, he might get you or whip you with his propellers. There she goes. Goodbye. Or not. Or not. Here he comes, here he comes, here. He comes, he's really happy. Happy, happy, happy. He's going so fast. He's going really.
Get my video?
Yeah. And he's going
He's dying.
really fast.
He's running out of battery.
And he's running out of battery.
See?
There he goes. here he goes. He runs on Zeus. He runs on Zeus. Yes, he does.
He's out of batteries.
He runs
Out
on
of juice.
Zeus. And here it comes.
That was a good fight.
Now it might.
Let's see if we get Red Thunder one last sortie. I think you're right. I think he is done.
And
Yeah, Red Thunder is done, buddy.
it.
Yeah,
Wow, this is fire.